Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today our topic is 9 ways to make money from watching videos. Number 1 is watch videos for money on Swagbox. If you have not already signing up to Swagbox is a great way to start making money from quick and easy tasks. You can earn reward for watching videos, surfing the web and doing paid online survey. The type of video you will watch on Swagbox Bucks could include ads, news content, and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn a huge amount of money or swag point, but as it's such easy money, it's worth trying. Plus, when you use Swagbucks on top of the other suggestions in this list, your earning will soon add up. For more tips, have a read our Swagbox and for special sign up bonus. So, next is number 2, make money watching videos on Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pound work as similar way to Swagbox. It let you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking survey. Again, you might not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do beyond watching videos, the more money you can make. Number 3 is watch videos add on VR8 for earning or charity. Hoping to watch ads for money and making a positive impact, VR8 could be the app for you. Like some of the others on this list, VR8 is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos, but it has a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ad on this platform, you are asked to answer a few quick questions and you can earn 10% to 20% per video. Once you have reached the minimum payment about €1 from watching brand video advert, there are 3 ways that you could have the money paid out. It could be paid out into your PayPal account, it could be pay out your EE mobile bill, or you could pay it forward to charity for your choice. Number 4 is watch ads, TV trailers, and more for money on Slice Therapy. Slice Therapy is a review site that lets you earn point for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. This video including commercial and clips like trailers for films and TVs. The minimum withdrawal is $10, which will get paid into your PayPal account as they read through all the review before making payment. You might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be proceed. Number 5 is make money watching videos on Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that required too little work. It's almost free money. You can request the money you are earn through the site as PayPal money or as gift card. When withdraw the money is via PayPal, there is minimum payout of $5. If you are redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payment is lower than it is when using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth is $2. When you redeem the points you have earned through the site, your money or gift card will be proceed to and sent to your within 24 hours. Number 6, write subtitle for film as a freelancer via Fiverr. To add more film related experience to your CV and make money in the process, you could start writing subtitle for online videos as a freelancer. Subtitles and transcripts can be very time consuming to write, so To save time, some content creators hire freelancers to write their videos subtitle for them. Next is make money from film and TV review. Hoping to make a living from watching videos, becoming a film or TV viewers is one of the best, most established way of doing so. It's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job, but with hard work, dedication, and strong writing skill, you can do it. Film and TV criticism are very competitive lines of work. So, particularly if you are thinking about writing on a freelancing basis, you will need to start off by charging lower rates of reflect your level of experience. Next is take a part of paid physiology psychological students. If you are interested in taking part in psychological and behavioral studies, this could be a good way for you to make money from watching videos. The amount you can get paid in compensation for doing psychological studies will vary massively depending on the type of trial or long it lasts. But you could receive as much as €100 for your lifetime. But please note, we are recommended only signing up for studies if you are genuinely want to do them, rather than simply as a way of making money. Depending on the nature of the study, there is a potential of them to emotionally or mentally challenging, so it's best to only take part in once you are fully comfortable with. Next is promote videos for companies online. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you don't necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media and on your own blog. The bigger your audience, the more you can charge companies to share their content. Of course, it's important to make sure that the video you are promoting are useful and relevant to your audience. It could easily impact your online brand if you share content that your followers don't engage with. So, these are the 9 basic and helpful websites which from you earn a lot of money from them. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.